Most people see the optometrist title and assume everything just falls into place. But the reality of being an associate doctor is often a few years of grinding while you try to build a life. Today, I'm taking you back to the week we finally moved into our first home, and I'm sharing the raw chaos of moving day, my first ever empty home tour, and the pink toolkit that actually helped me start thinking like a homeowner. I didn't get anything fancy because I don't know anything about tools yet, but I know I will start learning. But I just got this from Amazon. It's the Bielmeyer Power Tool Collection. My husband has like a black and yellow set, so why not make mine pink? All right, so this is cool. Ooh, this is what I wanted, because we are replacing all of our door handles and doorknobs, and it was taking my husband a lot of time and energy doing it all by himself because there's like 3 hinges per door, there's all the knobs, and then there's like that little clicking thing, I don't even know the terminology for it, but now I can help him. It's so cute. I like it. It's cordless, comes with the battery. Locked and loaded. Ooh, that is strong. Comes with the bag, super cute. Okay, comes with all extra bolts. And I don't know if you can see, but there's like little areas in the bag, like little dividers that you can put different stuff. Whee! Love it. Oh man, I already have a bunch of these from optometry school, but this one actually feels a lot sturdier. 3 meters. Nice. Ooh, I can hear my husband coming in right now. Ooh, I've been wanting one of these because I know I'm going to start hanging things up. So this is going to teach me how to balance it. But anyways, now you will see me in my future videos using all these nice tools. Nice and pink tools. Haters gonna hate, but I'm excited. Yay! Lots and lots of back and forth this week. From our old house to our new house.
오늘 쉬는 줄 알았어요?
Our old rental house to our new.
어때?
It's so hot. He jumped in the car like 20 minutes before we were even planning to leave, so he's been in here. Okay, we're gonna go and do some painting and organizing. We painted the kitchen yesterday, so hopefully it's dry. And now we have electricity and water at the new house, so we could pee there while
TMI.
if we want to. So we're officially in. It's empty, it's echoey, and there is so much work to do. Let me show you around the layout. I just painted the pantry yesterday. Turned out pretty yellow. So creamy is not going to be the color of our walls. Watching this footage, I remember feeling so overwhelmed. As an associate, I was used to following protocols in the clinic. Now I had a whole house where I had to make the decisions. It used to be silver hardware, but we just changed the knobs to the modern black. The wall right now is agreeable gray, but I'm probably going to get that painted. I realized that the precision I use in the exam room actually translated well to DIY. It took hours of sweat equity, but changing those small details like the hardware and the paint colors made the house feel more like it belonged to us and not the bank. Honestly, moving while working a full patient schedule was no joke. I was coming home from the clinic and immediately picking up a paintbrush or my new pink toolkit. It was exhausting, but it taught me a lot about the grind. You have to put in the work behind the scenes before you get to enjoy the finished product. Okay, so here is the doctor's assessment of the new place. As an OD, I'm trained to look for tiny details, asymmetry, misalignments, things that are just slightly off. And let me tell you, once you look at a house through that lens, you see everything. Luckily, this closet area was well kept, but I really did have to use the magic eraser to fix and get rid of a little bit of those stains on the walls. I realized that if I'm going to be seeing patients and providing high-level care all day, I need my home to be a place of visual rest. That's why these DIY projects, the painting and the hardware, aren't just fluff to me. They're about creating a space that actually helps me decompress after a long day at the clinic. It's actually kind of funny because I find that using a screwdriver or a paintbrush requires almost the same level of focus as like a difficult contact lens fitting. It's all about the fine motor skills. I'm also realizing that owner logic is a real thing. As an associate, if a light bulb goes out at the clinic, I call the office manager or the owner. Here, I am the office manager. I'm the janitor, I'm the CEO. It's a steep learning curve. It builds a different kind of confidence that you definitely don't get in optometry school.
I think the best part about our home is our backyard. We plan on having barbecues and friends and family over, so we decided to invest in a nice backyard space. When we're looking for homes, we're looking for homes with a nice private backyard where we don't get too much neighbors seeing through. This one house here, we really liked that it came with the gazebo cabana. Wate is really getting acclimated to this house. There's also a little area there for an above ground pool. And I'm so excited about this for the winter time because we literally have a fireplace out here, which is awesome. I've always wanted one of these. And a mount for a TV, movie nights outside with hot chocolate, hopefully is in our near future. He gets so tired now. He just runs around our yard a little bit and gets exhausted. Because it's that big, guys. It's that big. Just kidding. This is a before version tour of our home. I will show you the after version after we do our own renovations and move in.
We finished setting up and decorating as fast as we could because we had some important visitors coming to see what we've built. Make sure you're subscribed for the next vlog because seeing our parents walk through these doors for the first time was the most emotional part of this whole journey. I'll see you in the next one.